I'm at 3336 West 54th Street. We are in the Stockyards neighborhood of Cleveland, Ohio. It's a two-family home. Let's head in. So we got wood front porch. Pretty nice inside. So we got a nice big, this is a big living room. It's very nice size. And we got a bedroom here. This is also a decent sized bedroom. It's got a huge closet. Big dining room. Another bedroom. This one does not have a closet. And we got the kitchen. So we got carpet in those rooms, and we've got laminate here in the kitchen. It's a big kitchen. You could definitely get a table in here, eat in. It's a kitten. Got a little room here. It's like a makeup room or office or whatever you want to call it. Got a bathroom, clawfoot. And we'll go down here. So let's head down to the basement and then we'll go upstairs. It's actually, for this neighborhood, it's a pretty big and good, nice basement. A little bit of water. We've had a lot of rain, so it's not surprising. Got updated boxes, mix of wiring, mix of Romex, and knob and tube. So you see they built this kind of interior wall to help support the original wall, which is great. You see, that's pretty typical down here when you've got a basement like this, and that's good for shoring up the original foundation. We got old school furnace and newer old school furnace. But yeah, nice basement. Okay, heading upstairs. Got a little porch out here. There's a two-car garage back there. Got, I believe this is luxury vinyl. Got another big kitchen. Bathroom. Bedroom, small, no closet. Nice size dining room. This is all carpeted. Good size bedroom. And we got a great, nice size living room here. I want to give you a look at the roof before I forget. So you can get to this, the upstairs unit right there, and then this is a combined area that goes down to the basement. Take a look at the roof. You know, it's not new, it's older, but you know, it's lying flat. Looks like there might be something missing up there, but generally it looks like it's in pretty good shape. Asbestos siding, nothing wrong with that, as long as you're not breaking it up and letting it fly through the air. So that's all I got.